you can see this one they call them lemongrass. I dip them on the water for 1 day, 2 days so far, and I can see look like a root coming out here. You can see it, everybody coming out. You see. The reason I do this, I'm going to make sure that they're strong enough when they're on the ground by summertime. You can see, you see a sprout coming up right here. That means they cannot die. All right. See a bunch of them. I have a tool here. I might break them out for two spray, you know, 2 spots to be planted on this. Now we're going to plant on together. All right. Take a look at this. Oh, this. See the root coming out here, see this coming out here. That means it's strong, okay? 2 days in the water. 1 day is 5. 8 hours is 5. Long they suck the water inside the roots, so they have a chance. When they're on the ground, it's even Sunday, really hot. They have a chance. And raining day is a good one for them to be, you know, you can see what this one is like. This summer squat, and you can see I've been planting for a couple of days already. It's a summer squat right there. You can see it. The reason I put sticking on here, I'm in decay. Nobody gonna jump in here, you know, stepping on that. When they big, it's gonna be alright. 1, 2, 3, a bunch of them right here. You can see a summer squat right here, right? I introduce to you like the cucumber, I mean the tomato. I planted about 2 weeks ago. I planted high like that. And also right here, stack bunch of, you know, cucumber. I mean tomato. Tomato here, remember that. I already show you. Deep you can, maximum deep you can, even 1 foot, 1 feet and a half, maybe more, better. And diameter could be wider than that. Now you can see all this go really strong. But my, you know, tomato, I mean, they high right now. You know, look good. Could be about 4, 5, 3 feet, depend. You know what I'm saying? Also have a pin here. But one thing that I like to introduce you, American people, they don't know about this plant yet. This one is called a green murta. Here, look, I from the seed, I grow them up. This from inside the house, so this one I saw the seed. That's what you can see right now. Really, really, you know, ready to eat. See the flower up. If you guys want to plant this green murta, it's good. You can cook with soup, stuff like that. Okay. All here I had, you guys see, one of them. All right, it can be good for that too, for fertilizer, compost, and you can see all this. Now you can see all my garden here. Lemongrass. I show you again. Reasonable plant right here because they're hiding. You know, a corner always the better for lemongrass, and easy you clean it up and stuff like that. Root together, that's the way I would fork them. It's good enough. Okay, just like that. I don't want to do anything else. Just like that, all right? They're gonna be good when the water, I mean when the rain, and when we rain water every day, they're gonna be deep is what it said. It's about 5 of them, right? On a group like this. You can do, because you're gonna be, you know that this one they really crazy. After, you know, season, you want to see that they're gonna be growing so well. Get the water on, even the raining, I'm gonna make sure they have a water on. So I do. another roof here. We're going to put all this on. Reason I'm going to plant right here because you see the cement block here. The winter time also wind they can protect them, you know, and easy to pick too. All this. See that guy? This is so simple. Anybody can do it. But the way I'm doing right now, you can see you're going to be go by the road. Man, most soil. Okay, that's it. You'll be really, really crazy about it. Okay. Alright, done. This video I don't want it too long. I